Everyone, it's weekend and finally it's Friday and welcome back to our eBay flips. So for today's recap, we got a total of 13 leads. For our online arbitrage eBay leads, we got 4, and then for our retail arbitrage eBay deals, we got 9. So all in all, 13 leads for today. So let's check out all our OA eBay leads today, guys. So let's check this one. First from Smith's, you could buy this for 11.99 and sell it for 33.31. 3% it's 3 times its price. From All Beauty, you could buy this for 14.4 and sell it for 26.29 pounds. Another one is this Wasu treatment. Buy this for 17.38 and then sell it for 41.77, twice, almost 3 times its price. And lastly, from Wilco, buy this for 20 and sell it for 79.41, almost 4 times its price, guys. So good finds for our online eBay leads today. And the rest, check out all our retail arbitrage leads for you guys. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you this channels: affiliate income, review giveaways, job opportunities, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, guys, feel free to check all these channels out. Of course, we got also price drop monitoring for you guys, a bot operated channel wherein you could see all the latest price drops and deals from these websites like this, for example, from Boots, 30, 40, 50%, 70% price drops, and many more. So check out all our latest deals today offered for you. And lastly, guys, oh, sorry, we got another Amazon to eBay flipping, another bot operated channel wherein you could see all the leads that you could sell from Amazon to your eBay store. So if you're into flipping, check out all our leads today for our Amazon to eBay flips. And lastly, our general community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a nice weekend ahead. Bye, everyone.